Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power n plus 3 power n equal 91 and we have to find the value of n. So let's start with today's video solution. So this type of problem, people make it very complicated by doing log or divided it into two parts like this. So but we'll take another approach that is easy and much better. And it's consume your time much less. So 4 power n plus 3 power n. So now we break this 91 into two parts, the sum of two numbers whose in the power of 4 and 3. So 4 power 3 is 64 and 3 power 3 is 27. And when we add, we get 91. So in place of 91, I can write 64 plus 27. Now 4 power n plus 3 power n equals 64. I can write it as 4 cube. Similarly, 27 as 3 cube. Now if I'll compare both sides, so 4 power n equal 4 power 3. So what is the value of n? 3. Similarly, 3 power n equal, you can find the value of n from anywhere, 4 power n or 3 power n. It will be same, the n is 3. Now let's verify this if it's correct or not. So 4 power 3 plus 3 power 3 equal 91. So 4 cube is 64, 3 cube is 27. Yes, it's equals to 91. So n is equals to 3 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So for more such videos and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.